to my channel. This is Ensaid Organics, and I'm so excited to have you here because I'm just as glad to be here. Now on this channel, we're going to be talking about a lot of good things, a lot of fun stuff. We're going to be doing challenges, and of course, basically all of it is geared towards living healthier, living whole, and also living for the longest. With the rates of people dying at 49, 50, 55, which first of all is not the will of God anyway, because I believe I'm supposed to live to 120, alright, but even science believes that we're supposed to live beyond 120. So what exactly is the big deal? What's the problem? You see, a lot of times, or I believe that the problem is we've tried to, change the real state of our environment that is not suitable for our bodies. So hence this channel, we're going to be talking about organic alternatives, not just natural alternatives, but organic alternatives that we can use on a daily basis, our day-to-day, things that we need, or things that we can use to help our bodies repair itself in its most organic form. It's going to be an awesome time, and I'm all about living well, looking good, living healthy, and of course living very, very long. I believe that that's what the channel is going to be about. We're going to be learning a lot. It's going to be an educational platform. Actually, everybody is going to be learning, and the viewers, the subscribers, everybody is going to be able to add their quota, what they're actually doing that has actually worked for them, or what they've seen their parents do, or their the people. For example, I'm sure if you ask our grandmothers and stuff, I'm sure they know natural things that they can use for this. If you're Yoruba, I'm sure you are very, very familiar with what they call agbo jedi. Alright, instead of using our yellow capsules, these are the things that our grannies taught us, and that's what we're actually going to be bringing back of how to use natural things for basically everyday needs. So it's going to be an awesome time. We're going to be going back to our roots. We're going to be going back to basically reminiscing on the things that make us Africans, and wherever you're watching us from, at least each and every one of you must have had something that you were probably, or you got used to, or you saw someone in your house, your family, or something natural that wasn't used that actually worked for them. You can share with us. It's going to be an awesome platform. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope it's going to benefit you as much as I would enjoy, or I'm enjoying creating this platform for everyone to have a place to learn and a place to grow healthy and long. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, please share, turn on your post notifications, alright, and follow me on all social media channels. My name is Aneta Elisha Oladejo, and I'm always very excited to be here, and it's a pleasure bringing you this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.